Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Go to your settings, then scroll down and search for apps. After that, search for Roblox. Tap on the Roblox app. Select Storage option, which is under Users option. Then click on Clear Cache button. Now try opening Roblox app on your device. If it still doesn't load, then check whether there is an update available or not. Go to Play Store or App Store. Click on the search icon from the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search bar and type Roblox. See whether there is an update button or not. If there is, tap on it and update the game. Lastly, restart your device and open Roblox. And that's how you can fix Roblox not loading on mobile.